Freshman Fibro Session Part Hagan video bentang dengan batai pensyai bah bede berkeneka advertisement sepang keneka kam jongka BSF kabaran hadu lais pak tali tang nam ta kinong Meghalaya ma tang yum ta ka domicile of Meghalaya te kadan hadu lais pak tali te dengan pensyai bah hade berkene te kan jerong ka video ru te sengap han hadu basdang hadu bakut te hadu basdang kan batai ba nam ta kinik pus kedai offline kemut ba pyaban late submit hi ki dokumen bijong pi ke banyo ekin mitkat hapo ka sentar ba kilabo kila ai ra katarik labo thik bi katasngi pitiman le hakata kasngi labo la phim le lado kan mau pendiang lupa ki dokumen e bro te sa page ke video berbakur kan dapat tai ba detail katkum kan ke advertisement ke bakil penmi tang nam ta ki nong Meghalaya te kan advertisement for recruitment to the post of constable GD in border security force through special recruitment tang nam ta nam Meghalaya Shuawan poi marbun ki masa kali kedai nam ta kelas 10 kelas 10 pas kelas 10 sejerong kilap jam apply lada pinang biang kelas 6 markahan in Meghalaya for skill tribe ST candidate 2025 tang nam ta ki ST candidate amdon SC amdon remo tang ST candidate ngun bagi we kemyo are application are invited from the male and female but contain but senrang tamai khambon ni post senrang ST candidate belonging to the state of Meghalaya domicile for the post of Constable General Duty in Border Security Force BSF level 3 payment grade level 3 katulop kalong starting R4000 nyospa hadu ndrup khanda 1000 sespa kane deka skill ma te kelaban poi saka live pho ne sau starting mas yo training nepi matrix 7 central pay commission tengan namda pulithan gine ki detail le bro bisa tip hi na pelayu mendan kam than mana kwa ban tip gine tangan pay gine the recruitment of constable in respect of domicile belong to state Meghalaya will meet as under tekilabu da katarik ba lagajong sentar ka Garohil lagajong ka is khasil lagajong but lagajong ki block lane ki district ki Haban 1 lagajong katarik de kane po name of recruitment jurisdiction region district of recruitment supaya de jerong for the whole state of Meghalaya name and CRD block recruitment center ta phaban tip ru eka block la demo the RAFTR headquarter BSF Meghalaya Umpling Shillong name of recruitment agency kata kadega recruitment agency jurisdiction te second mau bah remember the date of different block district how to submit the form offline kumno ban submit ki form offline lek jong ada bu de kitarik ba pin hab ban lek submit ya ki form mo fill in application form bat admit card ru mar pandap itaru hab lek submit siapo ka ini kita apa debu dengan page kini laga jong ke blok laga jong ke district la debu start with region district West Garohil district will start from 2 to 4 September to submit the application form and the admit card to the respective center 2 to 4 September that mean kamut ba the name of the block which the candidate must go Dalu Selsela and Rongram they will go on 2 September 2025 to submit the form, fill up application form at the recruitment center, Commandant 200 Battalion BSF Campus, Dhahanagiri, PO Araimal, Tura West Garohil, District Meghalaya 794101. So remember, this block of Dalu Selsela Rongram will go on 2 September. Then next day, Dadengre, Tikrikila, Gambegre on 3rd September. And then the next day, Demdema, Batabari on 4th September. These are the block. The candidate on this block will go on this date. And then for Southwest Garohil district on 6th September, that is Batasing, Zigzag, Damalgere, Pura, Khasia on 6th September, they will have to go and submit the document. And then South Garohil on 8th September, Bagmara, Chokpot, Rongra, Gaswapara, Siju on 8th September. Remember the date of your own block. East Garohil, Dambo, Rongjang, Songsak, Samanda on 9 September, block and district remember. North Garohil on 10 September, Risibilpara, Kharkuta, Bajengdoba, Adogre on 10 September 2025. So they have given the district and the name of the block to which the candidate will have to go and submit the fill-up application form in this recruitment center, BSF campus Dhahanagiri at Araimal. So remember candidate from Garohil. So remember the date from 2 September till 10 September in your own block, own district, remember. They can mau bahai gini, kita tarik kiblat bahai ni, and then if the candidate, there are many more candidates, then they will give extra day, like on 11, 12, 2 extra day. for the fill up of a application form. Then next will come from the Khasi Hill region. Khasi Hill region is Khasi Hill with effect same date with effect from 2 to 4 September. Is Khasi Hill will give in 2 days in view of the bulky population mark abon beri po is Khasi Hill ki IRC ni. Milim Mausenram Shela Bholaganj Penusla on 2 September. Kan mau kini kibadeh kene blok blok Milim Mausenram Shela Bholaganj Penusla kin haban lej haka artrik jong September. Kan mau haban submit di application form jong pima artrik September arjar apsan kan mau ka tarit. Kibadeh mau rang keneng mau plang mau konreu khadar chenong laj kro ken lej lai tarik September kan mau ba. Te kibadeh po soyong mau pat an mau lai ken lej sau tarik jong September arjar apsan. Kan mau ka jaka ka deh po lal ground BSF Campus Maupat Shillong pin 793019. Kan mau kai kan mau pihak lej po Maupat ban submit di application form ngan sapni halas du sabatai ki application form ru te wanom kali bah wanom kali shwa mata page hadu bakut ma West Jaintia Hill on 6 September ka thalas ken kelas ken amlarem namdong te kini ken lej haka 6 September ban submit di application ki jong phi East Jaintia Hill on 8 September, that is Wapung, Saipung, Lumshnong. They will have to go on 8 September. Kan mau ha, haban late, ha praterik September, ban submit the application form. Southwest Khasi Hill on 9 September, mau korwat Ranikor, kan haban late 9 September, mali submit. West Khasi Hill, kini kalong Nongstoy, Motion Road, Rambrai, Rimuliang, Shalang on 10 September, kini ki blok mau, hab late ket kum ke blok jalan di amderi ban late kulmar. Eastern West Khasi Hill Mairang Mothadashan on 11 September 2025. Okini gi district gi wen margi dona tagi late lang kaju hi gasni tangga East Khasi Hill margi bun ki hablej lakajong jong block. Riboy on 12 September Umsning Umling Jirang Bhoirombong. Kani khada September tagi bu extra day gini ru lada 4 lak wan panda bigi form ha kini 4 lak masumit kini tigi nang don nang sya hadu kin sabu extra day khatlai bat khasau September lada don kam kin sapentip nderi mong ba pin chulik bek meta khatlai na kasau tarik ta kan mau gitu gitarik kini gide gitarik ban le submit ya ki application form jong phi nomor ba kadai ke offline kajaka kadai mau part ma BSF Campus mau part Shillong kan mau ha baru ki kanjit poko apply nata gini ta ka vacancy ngan batai mata ka vacancy baru karan lais pak tali all Meghalaya for male and female candidate ta Namta ka entire state there are 191 for male candidate posts and 34 for the female. Then namta ki for the border category, border district, 7 border district: East Jaintia Hill, West Jaintia Hill, East Khasi Hill, Southwest Khasi Hill, Southwest Garu Hill, West Garu Hill, and South Garu Hill. The posts for the border district is 64 male and 11 female. Makineru kita kelebah kiyo lang ya ka lada kimla ban yo ka bodar kila ban yo ru haka entire state ru te ka shong be ka jing yo okay to ngala batai ki pus man gidon arja kidon ka bodar bar kadon ka entire state mo the eligibility condition mawa eligibility condition asnem kadai khanem kandei nadu khatphra hadu ar phra snem henela including 5-year relaxation mo la include lang sansnem ka relaxation takadai khatphra hadu ar prasnem as on 1 August 2025 mutba ka last date kadai bet chitrik manai August ar jar apsan pidi benda bet hapo ka ar prasnem lane tik ar pho prasnem mdei ban tam singiru hner dap tho ba candidate must have born not earlier than 2/8/1997 and not later than 1/8/2007 tapi kita ki date of birth ladap ayang tu ba tang gitu ki bakha hapadeng jong kini kila ban apply kilong eligible namta kene ka post BSF ta class qualification kan debe class 10 pass de class 10 ka 12 rom le ma class 10 pass sejrong the field subject rom le re ki sabun bakli kata am le re tama phila pass along kahaj namta ki ST candidate kan mau kishenrang kadai shispa san punyo centimeter ki kan the ki dai shispa sau punyo point san centimeter te gladon ka chest on expanded namta kishenrang tang kishenrang new pandreu te long expanded kan long 5 meter lada expand minimum expansion long 5 ka weight pada phaban check kat kum hilaban page na po Google na lapage lai hilaban check chpang ka weight and height ka jing proportionate kat no ba lada pi jrong shispa san punyo centimeter ka hat ke jong pi ka jing khe ke jong pi ka di benlong kat no kilo te phaban wat hi na po Google pinyo hi kita namta ka jing mare ka long ba san kilometer phya mare hapo arp sau minute don maka ere tang man qualify ikan thebde 1.6 kilometer apo pra point lipo minute pra minute lipo second kita ben pendam kibadon certificate kibadon CBA certificate kiyo bonus lakajong kibadon C certificate kiyo 5% bonus mark B certificate kiyo 3% A certificate kiyo 2% bonus mark nam tak exam mo gini cut off minimum qualifying percentage of mark and written examination for candidate including examination will be considered during preparation of merit ya cut off mark kan sa pentib indala pentib prepare ya kam merit list. Okay, dan yang batai bun tantang page how to apply and which date kan mau bah kan date anda bila ada bio ya ki admit card ke jong pin marba ka de tu hi ka application form admit card kan sayo then dala ada profile baro te pin sa lek pede ka tarik la ai mo conduct of documentation PST pad mudba ka por ba mare ka tarik man pini ki dokumen jong pi ban jakawan mare ban thu ha ai bro kan de ha kan kini ki tarik la bu name of the center ini for the Garo Hill candidate same center this is BSF campus Dhanagiri Aralma for West Garo Hill registration period haban le 22nd September to 24 September remember West Garo Hill. For South Garo Hill candidate 25 September one day. Southwest Garo Hill candidate 25 September. South Garo Hill candidate 26 September. East Garo Hill candidate 27 September and North Garo Hill candidate 29 September except Garo Hill except GH except Garo Hill on Sunday. Okay. West Garo Hill given 2 days in view of the bulky population ratio of district. Tangega West Garo Hill can I extra 2 days. Nomor kajimbun beriu takadau. Tapo is kasihil ru kajuhi dia pemopat kajing mereka kan debe ar tarik hi is kasil ar hadu ar sau tarik jongu September. Is kasil ar tarik September hadu ar sau West Jante Hill ar san East Jante Hill ar penreu September Southwest kasil ar penyu September ar Pradesh Simlay West Kasil kan day ar kandai September, Eastern West Kasil kan day Laipo tarik September, Karib Hoy kan day Shitarik Jong U Oktober. Ta gendon ki simple kan itu East Kasil will be given 2 days in view of bulky population ratio nomor ka jambon beri mo West Garo Hill barka East Kasil taken I extra arsngi takara. The candidate while reporting the examination center will bring along with them duly filled form kan mau mo porba pilih hak registration center phabra ai ka form ko pendap baro as prescribed ngan sa peni hakalas ke kata form mar phia pandap hemapi phia bandra ru 3 set with along with photocopies of pertaining documents lie set kumba phi penbiang phia xerox penbiang lie set phia bra original mo te penbiang pa lie set kan ma should be typed in English on one side only. Okay to kala dapat lupa to ka form phia print bitang ha ka one side back penbiang kadur ar nalai tali don kami kadur mo Pihak pendap ya application form in English, pihak baru ke dokumen jumpi, pihak self attested, pihak sign him api kan, self attested, ke certificate baru ya ke silka certificate, sil tribe certificate, ke domisal jumpi, ke ID proof, lam dek Aadhaar, lam dek nur ke proof ke PPI, ke Epic, dia ke taruh. A form of issue of admit card will be filled and submitted. Teka don saka form admit card ru pihak ban pendap ya tu bahasa submit. The incomplete application can sa reject by chicken mau hama. The anda pila dep and submit ke application ke baro the bindala you can sa phaban poi sa ka jingmare tengal de batai ba phamare san kilometer hapo up minute but can take along 1.6 kilometer hapo per minute like po second. Then da dep kini baro la thau ka hai la thau la de mare la be la da pass pin poi sa ka exam. Yang dalam the candidate who qualify on the PST and PET PET will be required to appear for the written test. Kandon written test. Kinsa ongi hakat wasngine next row kinsa pentip. The question paper kalong shispa mark, shispa tali question mawa. Duration kalong R kanta, shispa mark, shispa tali question R kanta. The KA giba don hakataka question kinlong ba written examination will be set to assess the general awareness video don ka kidon general awareness general knowledge of elementary mathematics kandon kijing kenro analytic aptitude and ability to observe and distinguish patterns and to test the basic knowledge of the candidate in English language baro ke debe English mo paper do have take by English and Hindi have jadi mapi then the paper se kita exam la miles then one saka medical examination the one medical examination te kasyong bayang tuhi Piyo ne pi myo ro kasong behatu kajingjit ki pi ki berok ki khmat ki khmot ki skor ki berok kin sa yu bena ta kane ka form pihak an print os pendap ma pi mo ada playo ek advertisement pe ha po do jong advertisement kandon kane ka form application for the post of constable general duty in BSF special recruitment rally drive for ST category in Meghalaya state te pihak pendap ek kane ka form tak kadur jong pi hang ne full name father's name nationality baro kijinon kam tu tik English baro te kaches ka haj phap tho chest measurement baro life pentap yakane declaration dan signature of the candidate sanyo piang tu then yakane kan admit card ro phap pentap detail baro pentap nang ba nang mo mle kan admit card bai admit card roll number wan pentap re la thong tai to be filled by the office bun gi sabakala mo wan pentap ta tanggadur pentap kerteng first name date of birth postal address. Okay, then whether ST or ex-serviceman, the ST atau ST, then kan hipok bre, pihak san yang tu, tekan hipok, kinsa pendap no office, kinsa IP roll number kan, te pihak nang kata, dari pendap lumar, zero lupa asal dari dari bapa kala, ta, ki dokumen kiba pidon kam, bapin haban ra, ban penbiang lupa, ta ki dokumen kiba haban ra kilong ba. Matrik marbadi kelas 10 pas teka marksheet kelas 10 pitiban don katu original but zero pembalai kopi then original document support of your education te lada pas kelas 10 terak kelas 10 lada pas kelas 12 na degree ra kita ru menilai then ka shield tribe certificate ST original but euro bada zero then passport size 2 letters identical passport size photograph phap artali don kam te phap shon pas sau santli menilai re mar hafta apo admit card ko admit card ko form te ki bala dep NCC te fill up submit NCC certificate ru then original domicile certificate katu ko but zero kro ma mar phap save attested ma phap san yang tu then identity proof kanu kelaban nik adhar nik epic ko ni kita phaban zero but wan ra katu ka por ba village then original identity card katu namta ki ex-serviceman kamre namtai government servant dan semi government dengan kam no objection certificate no TADA is available okay itu. Te tangkat tuhi sekan mau hai ketarik ban late submit kan mau ha ban late submit kasdang nadu R tarik September terter sampai nanti najrong lai batai bah bat kapor ban mare kade R tarik terter syah khmat kekin sapentip himagi ndap la late hapo kata kesentar gladai namta ki Khasi Hill region it is Maupat and for Garo Hill region is in Aralmal. You have to go there to submit your application. Te tanggini higi jumpa syai ngatrai pilak syai bah, ada empat syai. Te sa komen apa comment section ngan saya persyang masina video by arsenation rom lelera ngan sa pensyai kat bangalai kapor kenang biang nang don porba pen biang lupa dokumen bijong pi. Te tangkan nahi, kuliah